I kind of end up in orthopedics the way I think most folks do. It's a combination of seeing patients in the office and working with your hands in the OR, and the fact that you can really make a positive impact on somebody's life. You cure things, you fix things. Hi, I'm Shroyer, orthopedic surgeon. Patients are much better informed these days. There's a lot of information out there, and they come in with some preconceived notions on how they'd like to be treated. So there's a lot more back and forth, I think, these days. It's our job to really help people make an informed decision and give them the pros and cons. In fact, the vast majority of people I see in the office don't require surgery. And that's one of the things I love about my job. Everything's different. I spend half my day seeing patients in the office and then the other half perhaps operating. I'm surrounded by great colleagues. There's a lot of collaboration. We talk amongst ourselves all the time about different cases, different approaches to treating patients. We're always calling each other for ideas about how to take care of patients better. I really enjoy my job. One of the great things about orthopedics is really making a positive impact on people. I look forward to going to work every day. I really do.